The towering buildings have a multitude of ledges on which falcons can nest, and the high perches that they need to catch the wind. New York City has the highest density of nesting peregrines anywhere on the planet. Winds striking the sides of the skyscrapers are deflected upwards and can help the birds gain height. And the great areas of concrete roasting in the sun create thermals, so that with very little effort, the birds can soar over the city. And so many peregrines can live here because down at street level, there is a lot of potential prey. Diving from height, the falcons can reach speeds of over 200 miles an hour. But their prey stay down low and close to the buildings. Too risky. The peregrine pulls out of his stoop. But the effort is not wasted. The falcons need to flush their prey into the open, and Manhattan is surrounded by water. Out here, the odds change, and in the peregrine's favour. With abundant prey here all year round, it has taken only 40 years for these falcons to establish themselves here.